This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a JVC television. First, ensure both your PlayStation 5 console and your JVC television are completely powered off and unplugged from their power sources. Gather your PlayStation 5, its power cord, and the HDMI cable that came with your console. Place your PlayStation 5 on a stable surface within a few feet of your television for comfortable access and airflow. Now, it's time to connect the crucial HDMI cable. Find an available HDMI input port on the back or side of your JVC television, often labeled HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or HDMI ARC. Connect one end of the HDMI cable firmly into the HDMI output port on the back of your PlayStation 5. Then, take the other end and securely plug it into your selected HDMI input port on your JVC television, ensuring a snug fit. With the HDMI cable connected, you can now power on your devices. First, plug both your television and PlayStation 5 back into power, then turn them on. Next, grab your JVC television remote and press the input or source button. Navigate through the options until you find the HDMI input that matches the port you used earlier, for example, HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, then select it. Once you see the PlayStation 5 home screen, you can optimize your display settings. Go to the PlayStation 5 settings menu, then navigate to Screen and Video. Here, you can confirm your resolution is set correctly, for instance, to 4K at 60 Hz if your television supports it. You can also activate HDR or high dynamic range and fine-tune other visual enhancements to get the best possible picture quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.